Chris here from Car Radios in Dorchester. We've just completed this installation on this 24 plate Ford Transit Connect. Now this is also the new VW Caddy, and the trouble with this one is that when you look out the mirror, you've got a wheelchair ramp right in the way. So what we've done is we've changed the mirror for a smart mirror. So this one's got a camera on the back. I'll show you that in a second. And that gives you a view looking down the road whilst you're going forward. So this is a high level brake light lens with the camera in the middle. Pretty cool. We can put reversing cameras down there on the Caddies and the Fords, but because this one wants to be on whilst driving, we put it up there, and this mounts onto the original mount. Just like that. Pretty cool, eh?